Have you ever given your email to a website only to regret it later because the spam never stops? Yeah, me too. But that all changed when I discovered Simple Login, an amazing tool that saved me from spam overload. Simple Login is an alias-based email service. It creates temporary or permanent email addresses called aliases that forward messages to your real inbox. Basically, you can sign up for anything without exposing your actual email. These are the reasons why I love Simple Login. Number 1, no more spam. I use an alias for every shopping website, and if one of them starts spamming me, I just deactivate the alias. Problem solved. Next is enhanced privacy. With aliases, my real email stays hidden. That has been a game changer for sites I don't fully trust. And last but not the least, custom organization. Each alias is tied to a specific site. Think shopping-alias@example.com for online stores, or food-delivery@example.com for food apps. It's so easy to track who's sharing your email. Now here's where Simple Login shines. Shopping websites, food delivery apps, newsletters, one-time signups, or trials. There are certain areas where I would avoid using aliases, like banking or financial accounts. Why? For one, security protocols often don't play nicely with email aliases. Plus, I want my primary email tied to these accounts for simplicity and safety. Simple Login has been a game changer for me, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's perfect for cutting spam or protecting your privacy, especially with shopping or newsletters. Just make sure you use your real email for critical accounts like banking. What do you think? Have you tried an email alias tool before? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.